Hello, guys. We'll have our Bible reading, and our verse is from Second Peter chapter 1, verse 4, and I'm reading from the amplified version of the Bible. And it says, by, by means of these, he has bestowed on us his precious and exceedingly great promises, so that through them ye may escape by, by flight from the moral decay, rottenness, and corruption that is in the world because of covetousness, lust, and greed, and became sharers, partakers of the divine nature. Salamat.